So, should you go to law school in 2024? Pag-usapan natin yan kapatid kahit mabilis lang. All of this and more coming right up. This episode is brought to you by the LXM Bootcamp. It's our program to help you determine if you are for law school, if law school is for you, or both. For 1 whole week, you will be living the harsh life of a hardworking working law student. All of our classes will be online and aligned with the schedule of law school. You will be tasked with researching cases, reading and understanding codal provisions. You will be called to recite what you have learned, write case digests, and take quizzes. And you will be given timely feedback on how to improve. The LXM Bootcamp will help you prepare in advance on what to expect in law school. You will also be learning lessons that should serve you well in the months and years ahead. Register today for the LXM Bootcamp through the links in the description box below. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. Start today by hitting the subscribe button below. New episodes are posted every Friday. Ngayong papasok ka sa 2024 sa law school, heto kapatid ang maaasahan mong mga pagbabago mula nung ilang taon nang nakakaraan. Una sa lahat, blended learning is in. Hindi na natin matatanggal ang convenience na pwedeng magklase na nakachinelas lang at boxer shorts lang ang inyong mga professor. Online classes will always be a part of our education in law school. Hindi na natin matatanggal yan. However, there are still professors who may require your personal appearance from time to time. There is nothing that can replace lecturing in front of a live studio audience, lalo na kung nag-aaral ang klase ninyo. Next, maraming naging pagbabago sa curriculum. Maugong ang mga balita na mayroon na namang bagong paparating. Hintay-hintay lang muna tayo ng official announcements, kapatid. Next, malaki ang time commitment na kailangan ng law students, especially for the hardworking working law students. Lahat kasi yan ay nagsisimula sa Clinical Legal Education Program o CLEP. Maraming oras ang kailangan nito. However, there are law schools now who are accommodating hardworking working law students through the CLEP program by instituting legal aid strictly on weekends. Next, cheating has significantly gone down. The incidence of cheating, napakalala niya noong panahon ng pandemya. Pero ngayon, nagme-mellow na. Finally, learning to a certain extent has become more humane here in law school. Paanong mas humane? Hindi natin matatanggi na marami sa mga OGs ang pumanaw na dahil sa pandemya. Pero ngayon, ang pagmemelo, nariyan at nariyan pa. Dumadali ba ang legal education? Dumadali nga ba ang maging abogado sa panahon na ito? To a certain extent, yes ang sagot dyan kapatid. Because when you really think about it, kulang na kulang ang mga abogado sa mga taong nangangailangan ng ating serbisyo. So, should you go to law school this 2024? Magkaalaman tayo kapatid sa darating na bootcamp. The LXM Bootcamp Batch 15 is happening this June 10 to June 16, 2024. Pwede kang makasali ng libre kapatid. Simple lang ang pamamaraan. Comment below why you should win a free slot to the LXM Bootcamp Batch 15. Then, share a link of this video anywhere on social media. Kailangan mo lang isend yan sa Lex in Motion Facebook account para may resibo tayo. Nakasama ka nga sa raffle. Winners will be announced in next week's live episode. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this episode for good law school karma. And I will see you again next Friday.